Have you ever heard of strategy deployment or Hoshin Kanri? It's a lean management concept that helps organizations achieve their major goals. It's a method by which company leadership can get everyone aligned and working toward the major goals of the organization. It involves a consensus-building process called a catchball. Let's take a hospital system as an example. If the major goal is to reduce preventable deaths, specific objectives can be set to achieve this goal. Each department would have particular goals of their own, aimed at helping the organization achieve the overall goal. Similarly, in a manufacturing company, the goal might be to increase operating margins. At the frontline level, metrics and specific targets relating to the reduction of defects and increasing output might be set. Having everyone work toward improvement is necessary, but not sufficient. Strategy deployment effectively gets everyone working toward the goals. In conclusion, strategy deployment or Hoshin Kanri is a powerful force that helps organizations achieve their major goals through aligning improvement activities and metrics at all levels. Consider implementing this process in your organization today. For help with this, visit us at emsstrategies.com.